So what's going on, family? We're going to talk about this article right here from Watcher.guru. Ripple CTO is saying that gradual appreciation may lead to big XRP gains. Now, make it make sense. What in the world is, quote, gradual appreciation? Does not the market move off of supply and demand? So maybe he's trying to tell us, as the market for XRP slowly appreciates, that will lead to big gains. So he must be one of those people that's telling the XRP community to hold these cryptos for the next 6,000 years, because a very slow and gradual appreciation, i.e. hold for the long term, will eventually lead to big XRP gains. All right, let's see what this article has to say. Despite the impressive performance of digital assets across the board this year, XRP has stayed rather quiet. Now, he's the CTO of Ripple. So, of course, he's going to try to manipulate the reason as to why many meme coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of altcoins are shooting up in value massively, while XRP has been lagging behind. And in some cases, it hasn't really even gone high at all. Subsequently, many investors have begun to express concern, rightfully so, over its ability to compete. Why is not XRP joining with the rest of the crowd? Why is it being left behind? However, in a post to Twitter, Ripple CTO David Schwartz discussed why gradual appreciation will be the catalyst to increase XRP gains in the long term. See, he's trying to quell the XRP enthusiasts' questions about, okay, why isn't XRP going higher? So he has to come up with some reasoning that will quell all of that anxiety that these XRP community people have, because they're nervous. They've been holding XRP for the longest time already in the first place. So that gradual appreciation should be in effect right now. XRP should gradually be appreciating right now. Why is it not joining with the rest of the altcoins? It should be appreciating. Ripple CTO David Schwartz discussed. Schwartz engaged with a user, questioning the term that Schwartz and Ripple have placed on XRP as an asset. In his response, he identified the idea. See, it's just an idea. It is apparently his idea of gradual appreciation on as the basis for all evaluation in terms of its development. Subsequently, he expressed this as a precursor to why the digital asset could be in line to grow exponentially in value. Here's the tweets right here. So we got this person right here, Mark Hoover. He's asking David, can you maybe elaborate what exactly you mean by gradual appreciation? Because XRP doesn't look at all like something that gradually appreciates in price if you compare it to projects that are actually much more favored for speculation. Yeah, they're appreciating. These other assets are appreciating while XRP is not. Gradual appreciation didn't work out so far, didn't it? And the only price increases XRP was ever able to hold weren't gradually. Bitcoin is actually much more gradual in price appreciation than XRP ever was. And then here comes Dave. He wants to chime in. Here's a chart of Bitcoin over the past 12 years on a log scale. The long-term behavior is that of gradual appreciation. Really? When evaluating things like automatic market makers or staking, I generally evaluate them as an alternative to long-term holding, which gives you this long-term gradual appreciation. I wonder why he didn't show you a log scale of XRP. Like, make it make sense. We're not talking about Bitcoin and its gradual appreciation. We're talking about XRP. I realized that in the moment of a bull or bear market, it doesn't feel like long-term gradual appreciation. And there's no guarantee that this is how any particular asset will look over the future. And here's his chart for Bitcoin. Dave, why don't you give us a chart for XRP and show us the same thing? Show us the gradual appreciation for XRP. This is how you can tell that the points that he's trying to bring up, it has no value. It has no reason behind the question of this of us trying to figure out why in the world is XRP not going up. He wants to give us a chart for Bitcoin. Are you serious? Will Ripple put some of the escrow into the automated market maker? I'm not sure if that would be a bad thing or a good thing. Digital assets have a lot of volatility. Automated market makers let you turn that volatility into yield, get yield from making markets, and they reduce your risk of losses due to long-term price decreases. I suspect people who feel the way you do are looking for something even riskier than that. Now, this man gave us a chart of Bitcoin on the law scale. I think the reason why he didn't give us XRP on the law scale is because it's not showing any gradual appreciation. You can clearly see that Bitcoin over time has increased in value. I'm surprised nobody brought that up in the tweet to him. Because if I would have saw it, I would have brought up a tweet saying, Dave, where's the law scale for XRP? Because this individual right here dropped charts for XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, showing how these other three cryptocurrencies have increased in value while XRP hasn't. Look, it's stagnated. It's not appreciating in value. It broke out here during this time period, shot up massively, and ever since then has been traded within a range. You look at Bitcoin, it's increasing in value. Look at all-time high. Look at that percentage gains. XRP is only up 10,287%. I'm not even going to announce that percentage. That's just asinine. That's crazy. Then you look at Ethereum, gradual appreciation. Dogecoin, it kind of resembles XRP a little bit, don't you think? But it's definitely doing a lot more gradual appreciating than XRP is. So what's really going on? Since the start of 2024, the digital asset market has faced a massive boom. Bitcoin has seemingly led the way, reaching $73,000 earlier this month. For many investors, this performance has led to questions regarding XRP, specifically in terms of why the asset does not appear to be mirroring the impressive trajectory of something like Bitcoin. Yeah, everyone's asking that question. Ripple, Brad, Dave, got all these people holding XRP and the market ain't even moving. In a post to X, Twitter, Ripple CTO David Schwartz explained the process of gradual appreciation. And then he went on to explore the idea and its fundamental connection with digital assets. This is all a hypothesis. This guy's just guessing. He's just trying to ease your fears as to why XRP is not participating in this massive bull run. And that's Dave right there, just so you guys know. That's what it looked like. So now, here's the chart for XRP right now. Look at this. What's up with XRP? Why isn't this market breaking out? Why are we not seeing this massive breakout in XRP ever since the court case between the SEC and Ripple to when the market went crazy? Right here, there was the time period that everyone was waiting for. Once the case was resolved in XRP, the market hasn't been higher since then. So ask yourself the question, is this an asset that you really want to hold long term? Because Dave is trying to convince us that we need to hold it long term. But according to the chart, I don't know. So let's go ahead and do an updated price prediction in the market for XRP. You guys can see we did a price prediction right there on the 11th of March. Same day, market came hit our ultimate area TP, 12.63% right there. We're going to get rid of this sell zone here. Market wasn't successful in breaking above that sell zone, so that's still applicable in that perspective. Real quick look at XRP on a 2-day chart. Still looking pretty weak here. Here it is on the 3. Still looks pretty weak there. Here it is on the 5. There's still some weakness there in the market for XRP. Here it is on the weekly chart. Still looks pretty weak. Like, this is a very strong sell zone right here. Okay, we saw it get rejected back in November of last year. It's getting us the same type of price action in March. So that's why the current price action of XRP is trading within a range, giving us some weakness right now. That is the reason why. It's because of the sell zone. Now on the 2-weekly chart, I'm here to tell you that in the next 4 days and 14 hours, if the market in XRP closes on the low like it is now, then I will be looking for it to come at least to try to test this trend line or this first buy zone, maybe even a second buy zone. Okay. So real quick, here's another sell zone here. So let me go ahead and straight up create another sell zone. Well, put that back. And here's the sell zone here too on 330-minute chart. Okay. Now we're going to anticipate some weakness, some lower prices in XRP. Okay. And our first target, let's just do it right here on the low that occurred on March the 5th. That's 10.59% move to the downside there. Our second target is going to be in or around our first buy zone or even this trend line, which I have drawn on my chart. Okay, so let me go ahead and clean this up a little bit. We'll need that one, and let's get rid of this one. Now we'll bring that back. Okay, so our next target will be at this first buy zone or this trend line. And we may just leave it there for the moment. So that's it. To me, I think this gradual appreciation hypothesis that Dave is talking about is irrelevant. He's just trying to come up with a reason as to why XRP is not going higher. The reason why XRP is not going higher is because there's not enough demand like there are for the other altcoins. That's all. If people really wanted to buy XRP, understand the value would increase. So apparently the demand is not here like it is in other markets. This gradual appreciation thing, you can let that go. If people doesn't want to buy XRP, there will never be any gradual appreciation. And that's what we're seeing right now to the market in XRP. It doesn't look like people are actually utilizing this cryptocurrency. They're not trying to, put it in an ETF. I know people want to use XRP as a settlement layer for faster processing within, centralized government, try to replace the SWIFT payment system. I get all that, but people aren't using it. It looks like Ripple is the only entity really using XRP. That's it. I don't hear a lot of people talking about XRP being transacted. You could purchase things with XRP, even though you probably can, but it's not being pushed massively to the scale that you would say, I need to go ahead and grab me some XRP. So what are they really doing? I'm talking about Ripple. What are they really doing behind the scenes with XRP then? Just give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.